Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are looking at this. So today I want to discuss a topic that will be beneficial for teachers on how they can do their first video so that they can explain to their students what the students need. Now, what I titled this today to be classroom recording. So basically how you can record your class discussion. So I have three categories here that I'll be discussing. So I said we have three ways. So this is what? Three ways or three methods. So number one here, first method is what I call the writing pad method. Writing pad method. Number two here is what I call the white marker board method. White marker board method. And number three here is what I call the phone method. Phone. Once you have Android, you can phone app. Okay, let's say phone method. Now, how do we do this? So I'll take the first one. That first one is the writing pad method. Writing pad method. So the first thing you need here is to get your writing pad. So they call it, the writing pad is called the Creative Pen. Creative Pen tablet. Creative Pen tablet. So the next thing you need a laptop. A laptop. In the laptop, you are going to download OneNote. OneNote is always with Google. So once you get all this ready, case search, then you will need the last thing that will be used to do what? To do your editing, like your studio, Camtasia app. Once you can get all this ready, you are good to go. How do we now use this? I will explain below, especially with the Creative Pen tab. That's the first thing we do. So once you get that one right, case solved.
Like I said, this is the writing pad. You can see it. This is the box. I will unbox it now so that you can see what I'm saying. To unbox it, let me open it so that you see the tools. So this is how it looks like. There are tools here. This one is the cord. What we use the cord for, you will see it now. This is the pen, and this is the pot where you keep the pen. So how do we connect this? So easy. So you take the cord, and this one is the pad. It's like a tab that you connect to the system. You see, So once that is once you unbox the box like that, the next thing is to fix everything to the system. How do we fix this? So you can see, so to fix this is simple. Just take the cord. I'm taking the cord now. So I'll take the mouth, the USB part will go to the laptop. See, the USB part of the cord is going to the laptop. I'll fix it there. So it's already fixed. While this one, the mouth will go to the tab. This is the mouth here. Oh, so while this mouth will go to the tab, see it will be fixed to the tab here. It will be fixed. When you fix it, watch this place. See, there's no light there. Once you fix it, the light will come up immediately. So let me fix it now so that you can see what I'm saying. I'll fix it to the tab, and it will come up with immediate effect. You see that? See that light? See the light now? That white light. So when I remove it, it will go off. Let me fix it back. You will see the light back to life. So that means you are ready to use the tab for your writing, and that is how we do the in front now. In the video, while we continue watching the video, you will see how I will use the tab to write, and you'll be seeing it directly. Even the student you are writing to or you are teaching will be seeing it. Or you want to do your recording, you can be doing it like that, and the student will gain or see what you are doing immediately. So thank you for listening.
Like I said, to write anything, you need OneNote. So see how I'll do it. Is either after installing OneNote, you go to your Microsoft or your Google, then you install OneNote. See it here, OneNote for Windows 10. Me, I will not be using it. I will come to this. So where I will go to is to the taskbar. I've already pinned it to the place. So I'll just click it. Then it will pop up. You see OneNote written there. You can see. Then it takes me straight to the page. For a starter, you will need to open your class. So this is what it will open for you, and you can easily write. Because I've fixed my pen and the whole thing is well fixed there for the writing part that I said the other time, then I will pick my tool, write on the place directly. See now, I will just write classroom recording. So as you write, your audience will be seeing it, whether they are students or your coach, child, you want to explain something for them. Any class I want to take now, I can take it easily. I'll just write, for instance, I want to discuss quadratic equation. And then see, deliberately I made mistake. Let me make a mistake. See, this is not the right thing I should write. Quadratic. So I've written A before you. So how to clean it? So where do you go? You go up here. Just click this place. Then you go to draw. You have a lot of things. You can use your hand to clean it. You can select something with this, but that's not where I'm doing now. Eraser. So click the eraser and you clean the mistake part. Then you go to that place again, go and pick the pen and the millimeter you want. So this is the one I want. So I'll pick this, then I'll go back to the place and write that okay, it is quadratic equation I want you to write. So I'll write that quadratic quadratic equation. So with this, you can do anything you want to do and you write everything you want to write and you record it. The next part is to explain how you edit. How do you edit? That's what will come up in the next video. See you when I see you, and bye for now.